Hello, I am Mr. Holikate SS from Gandhinatha Ramji College of D Pharmacy, Solapur. Today we start the first chapter, that is part 4th, that is Introduction to Nomenclature of Organic Chemical System with Heterocyclic Compounds. Today we will see some nomenclature, that is the IUPAC nomenclature. Already we studied in 11th and 12th classes, that is nomenclature, that is IUPAC nomenclature. We will revise the IUPAC nomenclature. The IUPAC stands for International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry, that is the long form of IUPAC or IUPAC. That is established in 1999 in Switzerland, which framed from the rule for the nomenclature of organic compound. Hydrocarbons are divided into two parts, that is saturated hydrocarbons, that is alkane, and unsaturated hydrocarbon, that is alkenes and alkynes. That is saturated means there will be a carbon-carbon single bond, and unsaturated means that there should be a carbon-carbon double and triple bond. The examples are alkenes and alkynes. In saturated, that should be alkane, that is ANE, that means the carbon-carbon containing single bond. The alkanes up to 10 carbon atom are given below, that is methane, ethane, propane, butane, pentane, hexane, heptane, octane, nonane and decane. Methane means single carbon, ethane means 2 carbon, propane means 3 carbon, butane means 4 carbon, pentane means 5 carbon, hexane 6 carbon, heptane 7 carbon, octane 8 carbon, nonane means 9 carbon, decane means 10 carbon containing compounds. These are the some alkanes. Derivatives of hydrocarbons such as alcohol, aldehyde, ketone, acid, etc. also form a homologous series. Now what is meant by derivatives? आता derivatives म्हणजे काय? हायड्रोकार्बनचं डेरिव्हेटिव्ह म्हणजे काय? आता जर करता आपण डेकेन घेतलं, म्हणजे 10 कार्बनचं कंपाऊंड आपण घेतलं, त्याच्यामध्ये जर करता आपण कुठलं तरी एक अल्कोहोलिक ग्रुप अटॅच केलं, दॅट इज द डेरिव्हेटिव्ह ऑफ डेकेन. आता अल्कोहोलिक ग्रुप म्हणजे काय असेल? फंक्शन ग्रुप काय असेल तर OH, अल्डिहाइडचं असेल CHO, केटोनचं असेल CO, म्हणजे C डबल बॉन्ड O, ऍसिडचं असेल COOH. These are the some derivative. We can attach the some functional group to the hydrocarbons. That is called as the derivatives of hydrocarbons. Next we will see the how to write the IUPAC name. आता आपण ऑलरेडी 11th and 12th ला बघितलं किंवा आपण IUPAC नेम कसं लिहितो हे काय तुम्हाला एक्झामला विचारणार आहे, फक्त आपण थोडंफार रिव्हिजन घेऊ. हाऊ कॅन वी राईट दी IUPAC नेम? फर्स्ट वी राईट दी parent chain. First we will see the how to write the IUPAC name. First write the parent chain or compound numbering. Write the parent chain or compound location of the substituent or number of substituent. Then put a hyphen. Hyphen means that is a simple dash in between the number and the substituent. Next is the rules for nomenclature. In case of long state saturated hydrocarbon where there is a no problem to give the numbering on either side, that is from the both side. But in case of branched chain, compound carbon are not present in the linear manner. That is, there are one or more group or branched attached to carbon chain. The numbering should be the substituted carbon atom should have lowest possible number. Okay, we will see this some example. So this is the 8 carbon containing compound, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 carbon compound containing means octane, and this is the branching, and this is also branching. Okay, first we will give the numbering. Numbering start from this carbon 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Numbering आता आपण नंबरिंग आपण ह्या साईडला का देतो? दॅट इज बिकॉज ऑफ द लोएस्ट पॉसिबल नंबर. इकडे जर करता आपण घेतलं तर दिस इज 1, 2, 3 थर्ड कार्बन होतो, पण इथं आपल्याला सेकंड कार्बनला ब्रांचिंग होतं, त्यासाठी आपण ह्या साईडने आपण नंबरिंग देतो. तर मग आता ह्याचं IUPAC नेम काय होईल? दिस इज दी 8 कार्बन कंटेनिंग दॅट इज ऑक्टेन. आपण हे पॅरेंट मॉलिक्युल म्हणून लिहितो आपण ऑक्टेन. ह्या जर करता आपण 2 ब्रांचिंग आहेत, एक सेकंड कार्बनला आणि एक 6 कार्बनला. आता आपण आधी इथाइल लिहितो, त्याच्यानंतर आपण मिथाइल लिहितो. आधी इथाइल काय लिहितो तर आपण अल्फाबेटिकली ई अगोदर लिहितो, त्याच्यानंतर एम होतो. त्यासाठी आपण लिहितो 6 कार्बनला तर हायफन देऊन इथाइल 2 हायफन मिथाइल इट इज ऑक्टेन. इट इज पॅरेंट मॉलिक्यूल 6 इथाइल 2 मिथाइल ऑक्टेन. दिस इज दी IUPAC नेम ऑफ दिस कंपाउंड. तसं जर करता आपण बघितलं नंबर ऑफ ब्रांचिंग जर करता आपण वाढवलं तर आपलं नंबरिंग कसं देता येईल? तर हे कार्बन आहे आपल्याला 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. टोटल आपल्याला 7 कार्बन आहेत, म्हणजे याचं पॅरेंट मॉलिक्यूल झालं हेप्टेन. म्हणजे ह्याला आता आपल्याला ब्रांचिंग आहेत 3rd 4th आणि 5th पोझिशनला. नंबरिंग आपण ह्यासाठी दिलं 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. इकडनं जर दिलं तर आपल्याला सेम होतं 1 2 3. कुठल्या साईडने दिलं तर आपल्याला सेम नंबरिंग येणार आहे. तर आपण IUPAC ने बघूया 3 4 5 ट्राय मिथाइल हेप्टेन. 3 4 5 काय दर्शवतो तर आपल्याला हे पोझिशन दाखवतो. ट्राय मीन्स 3 आहेत, कुठले ग्रुप? मिथाइल ग्रुप. पॅरेंट मॉलिक्यूल आहे हेप्टेन. 3 4 5 ट्राय मिथाइल हेप्टेन. तर हे झालं आपलं नॉन सायक्लिक कंपाऊंड. ते जर करता आपण सायक्लिक कंपाऊंड मध्ये बघितलं तर आपल्याला नंबरिंग कसं देता येईल आणि त्याचं आपल्याला IUPAC नेम कसं असेल. दिस इज वन ऑफ दी एक्झाम्पल. ह्याच्यामध्ये आपलं पॅरेंट मॉलिक्यूल आहे सायक्लोहेक्झेन. दिस इज दी सायक्लोहेक्झेन. आता ह्याच्यामध्ये आपल्याला काही मॉलिक्यूल आपल्याला अटॅच झाले, काही मॉलिक्यूल आपल्याला अटॅच झाले दॅट इज इथाइल झालं, इथं मिथाइल आणि इथं मिथाइल आहे. ह्याला आपण नंबर घेऊया 1 2 3 4 5 6. आधी आपण इथाइल घेऊया ॲज पर अल्फाबेटिकल. 1 इथाइल at 2 and 4th position there will be a methyl group that should be 2 number, that is 2,4-dimethyl. The parent molecule is cyclohexane. That is 1 ethyl 2,4-dimethyl cyclohexane. This is the cycloalkane. It is the IUPAC name of cycloalkane. Next आपण बघूया functional group. The functional group consists of an atom or group of atoms joined together in a characteristic manner and has a specific characteristic chemical properties. The task of naming organic compounds is made simpler by the taking in upon any functional group or groups. That is, example, take the case of compound having alcohol, that is containing OH group of alcohol. They all have the similar chemical properties. Roles of nomenclature. First we will find the functional group present and use this as the prefix or suffix in the name of compound. Second, we find out the number of carbon atom with longest chain containing a functional group. Give the lowest number of carbon carrying functional group or part of functional group. Okay, first we will see the one example. First we will see how much carbon is this contain. 1 2 3 4 5 6. This is containing 6 carbon containing compound. In that there will be attached the OH, that is the functional group, and also attached the CH3, that is the methyl group. Now we will give the numbering. Numbering start from this carbon 1 2 3 4 5 6. It is the functional group containing alcohol, so that the hexane will be called as an hexanol. Hexa means 6 carbon, ol means alcoholic functional group, and the alcoholic functional group attached at the second position, so it is called as 2-hexanol. And there will be one methyl group is attached at a 4th position, that is 4-methyl 2-hexanol. This compound also named as a 4-methyl hexane 2-ol. This is the OL. OL means that is the alcoholic group. 4-methyl means the 4th position will be a methyl group. Hexane means the parent molecule, that is 6 number of carbon, and at second position there will be a alcoholic group, that is 4-methyl hexane 2-ol. Next example we will see that is the unsaturated compound. Here there are two functional groups are present, that is double bond, that is alkene, and a aldehyde group, that is CHO. Both can combine together in the naming, since the aldehyde group is indicated by a suffix Al. In alcoholic case we also saw the OL, that is the alcoholic group, but in aldehyde there will be a Al, that is the suffix. The compound can be named as 3-hexenal. First we will see the numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There will be a total 6 carbon containing compound, that is hexane, but there will be a function group is CHO. So that this is called as Al, that is hexanal. But there will be a double bond. There will be a carbon-carbon double bond at a third position. This is the third carbon. There will be a carbon-carbon double bond. So that this is a hexane is converted into hexene. This is the A is replaced by E. That is, so it is called as 3-hexenal. Thank you.